Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of August the 18th to the 24th. And basically you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. For this basket of 59-cent magic, it's at the very end. It's the last transaction with a spend 60, get back 12 booster. Just in case you're like, where's this one? It's going to be, I'll timestamp it right here. That's where it is in the video. Again, guys, for all the new shoppers out there, a curbside pickup is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, placing your order in, and then you drive to the store once it's placed in, and then you drive to the store and pick it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. The advantageous part of this is that you can use coupon codes with, and also a lot of this stuff is just a little bit cheaper doing it curbside if you're really watching those dollars and cents. Now, alternatively, if you are a shopper that likes to be in store and you like to look around, I know a lot of us enjoy that sort of shopping. I made a video yesterday where I'm showing the best deals of the week, including a $35 basket. You might want to check that out. I will link this video at the very end. And it's just basic, straightforward shopping with register rewards and so on and so forth. I do recommend that you go through the Walgreens app and load the following digital coupons. That's a $7.50 off of the Axe body wash and a $7.50 off of like hair care and that sort of stuff, like personal care. Load these at the very least. You're going to use them in the next couple of weeks, and they're very high value, which makes them awesome. And then also this morning, I got a $15 off a super serum and then a $10 off of any like more expensive cream. I know a lot of this stuff has been on clearance, so pairing these with them, I know super serum isn't, but that one below, possibly maybe we're going to have more deals this week. Load these two if you might have them, because they're both fantastic. We also have different coupon codes. 15% off of a $35 basket with AUG15, and then an extra 20% off of a $50 basket with AUG20. So if you can't get any coupon codes to work, maybe these two. And if you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps me out and this video that it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we have is we're trying to get $10 or less. We have this little coupon that I loaded. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but we all could load it last week. And it's a 6-pack when you buy 4 dental care products, but they have to be participating. Now, this is just a very straightforward basket. I have 4 of these Oral-B $3 brushes, so 3 times 4, that's 12. And we also had this very generous coupon that popped up, which is a 6 off of 4. So after that reward, it makes them all for free, which is fantastic. Now, to get the basket to balance, we're also going to load this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. And we're going to throw in 2 toothpastes just to get that, a little bit of toothpaste and a little bit of toothbrushes. It's going to be a dental care basket. So, and it actually gets the math to balance pretty perfectly. If you just want to grab a couple little items and you don't want to be shopping in store, this is the way to do it. So just to show you, your 6 off of 4 is coming off, and then that 4 off of 2 is also coming off. I'd recommend to do this deal earlier in the week because those toothbrushes are going to go quick. So the overall basket is $20, free curbside pickup, tax, and $10 in digitals melting off. The 6 and the 4, that's how I'm getting $10. So the total is $11.20. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay the $1.20, and then you're getting back $9. 6 for the Oral-B, and then 3 for Colgate. $3 back when you buy 2 Colgate products. What a basket. Okay, deal number 2. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 5 bags of the Doritos, thinking about your Labor Day cookout, or if you wanted extra chips in your pantry. It's just one of these basic sort of deals. Now, if you go into your digital coupons folder, a lot of us got a 2 off of 5. So you're going to have this guy loaded. I think also Shopmium might have a very similar rebate, but you'd have to get a physical receipt because they're very strict over on Shopmium. So 5 bags for $15. There's no tax on this because this is considered food. So the new total is $13. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and then pay $3 and call this a very good deal. And how fantastic is that? The next deal that we're going to look at, guys, is deal number 3. For this one, we're going to grab 2 of the Axe. It's a shampoo and conditioner at $4.99 for $9.98. And we're going to load our best friend. That's a $7.50 off of 2. This is a very high value coupon. So how great is that? And then we're also going to throw in 2 of the Colgate brushes for $4 a pop, so that's 8 for 2 of them. And then we're going to load this magic, which is a 4 off of 2. This coupon doesn't expire till the first week of September, so load them all. And then clearance candy. I just typed in clearance candy just to get the math to balance. So I grabbed these Reese's and then one single big cup. And I've seen these at all the stores for 99 cents. I wonder when they're going to drop even more. Okay, so just to show you, $7.50, WAG 10 taking 40 cents off, and then another $4 off from Colgate. The overall balance for this basket is $21.96, and after all of the magic, the new balance is $10.89. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 89 cents, and then you're getting back $3 for the purchase of the 2 Colgate brushes, so not too shabby. Now we're looking at another deal with some supplements, my absolute favorite. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the VitaFusion products at $15.99. I recently went over to a VitaFusion multivitamin, and they are pretty good. We also have this guy, which is a 10 off of 2, so that's a very high value coupon. Check your different rebate apps, including IBOTTA, and I think also Swagbucks might have a rebate for this. So double, triple check if you might have them. Possibly you can get more money, but if you can't use it in concert with a coupon, you also have to be mindful of that. Now, to get the math to balance on this one, we're also going to throw in one of these Folgers Classic Roasts, and then load this digital coupon, which is a $2.50 off. All of the magic popping off, and AUG15 taking another $3.60 off for us. Overall basket is $36.47. And then after all of the instant savings and digital coupons, the total is $20.37. Use $20 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. Get a receipt and check your Swagbucks and IBOTTA. And if there is no exclusions with the use of coupons, I would apply for extra rebates for those VitaFusion gummies. Okay, guys, now we have deal number 5. For this one, we're going to be grabbing our favorite 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoos, or Elvis shampoos, however you want to say it. They are 2 for $10, and we have this Walgreens coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. Please make sure you have it loaded for extra savings. And then we also got this little guy that I'm so happy about, which is a 3 off of 2 manufacturer, and to get that Elvive shampoo so cheap, it's a fantastic deal. And then we're also going to throw in one of these Carefree pads for $10.99. Some of us got a $5 digital to go with, so it's an only for you one, so not everybody got it, but if you've been buying pads lately, probably got it. And we also are going to throw in one of these Kit Kats to get the math to balance. Now, just to show you the overall basket, we have the total of $21.98. After the coupons and instant savings, it's $11.23. Now, if you can possibly get the cashier to give you a receipt, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, not with the handheld, because IBOTTA has a $5 rebate for the Carefree pads if yours doesn't exclude the use of coupons. So double, triple check that and get a receipt if you can line that one up perfectly. Okay, the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 6. We're going to need our best friend loaded, which is a 12 back when you spend $60. And yes, I got a $60 basket rockin' and rollin' for us. The first thing that we're going to grab is 2 of these CREST white strips for $25.99. So a little bit cheaper this week. And the promotion with these guys is to spend $50, get back $15. Yes. Plus, we have a lot of digital coupons to go with these, including a $15 off. Please make sure you have the same ones as I to make this happen. It's a very high value coupon. And I also had a $5 off as well. So you might have better ones than I, but that's $20 of digital coupons, and I'm pretty happy with that. And then we're also going to throw into the basket 2 of the Colgate toothpaste for $8. You know the promotion of buy 2, get $3 back. And we're going to load our best friend, which is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Hey, every cent and penny counts for these $60 baskets because they are massive. And then we're also going to throw in one of these coffees for $4.49. And then we also have that $2.50 digital coupon that's attaching. And it's always great to have these coffees around for anything and everything, even making coffee bread if it's not your favorite coffee. And then just going to throw in some clearance candy to get the math to balance. Now, you're really going to have to pay attention to the math for this one because the code SAVE20, I was able to get that one to apply. It took off $7.40. So, and there's a lot of digital coupons, but the overall total is $67.46. Subtracting $7.40, we're at $60.06. Thus, you are still going to qualify for the spend 60, get back 12. So double, triple check your math on that one. Free curbside pickup and tax, and $26.50 coming off in digital coupons. With your debit card, pay $36.77. As is a spend 60, get back 12. And for the CREST promotion, I think as well, you have to pay with your debit card for that, and you're getting back 30. So it shakes it out to like $3 and some change for all of these products. And then if you divide it by 6, it basically makes each product like 59 cents, which is crazy. I know it's a larger out of pocket, but maybe a deal you'd like to do if you are all about the white strips and the items in this basket. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.